Understanding Religious Diaspora, a journey across cultures and beliefs. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing and important topic, religious diaspora. This concept might sound complex, but it's a fascinating subject that touches on history, culture, and personal identity. Whether you're learning English or you're interested in global cultures, understanding the meaning and impact of religious diasporas can enrich your perspective. So, let's embark on this journey together and explore what religious diaspora is all about. Before we delve into religious diaspora, it's crucial to understand what diaspora means. The term diaspora comes from an ancient Greek word that means to scatter about. Today, it refers to the movement or migration of a group of people from their ancestral homeland to other places around the world. This can happen for various reasons, including economic opportunities, conflicts, or persecution. The key aspect of a diaspora is the maintenance of a connection to the original homeland, either through culture, language, or religious practices. Now, let's focus on religious diaspora. This specific type of diaspora occurs when people are dispersed from their homeland primarily due to their religious beliefs. These individuals and communities carry their religious traditions, practices, and identities with them, creating a network of faith that spans across different countries and continents. Examples of religious diasporas include the Jewish diaspora, the dispersion of Muslims from the Arabian Peninsula, and the spread of Buddhism from India to other parts of Asia. The impact of religious diaspora on both the host countries and the dispersed communities is profound. For the diaspora communities, maintaining their religious identity becomes a crucial part of their existence in a new country. They often establish places of worship, religious schools, and community centers to keep their faith and practices alive. On a broader scale, religious diasporas contribute to the cultural diversity of the societies they become part of. They introduce new traditions, festivals, and ways of thinking, enriching the social fabric of their new homes. While religious diasporas bring cultural richness and diversity, they also face challenges. Integration into new societies, preserving their religious identity while adapting to a new environment, and sometimes facing discrimination or misunderstanding can be significant obstacles. However, these challenges also present opportunities for intercultural dialogue and mutual understanding. Through education, cultural exchanges, and community engagement, religious diaspora communities can bridge gaps between different cultures and faiths, promoting a more inclusive and empathetic world. In conclusion, religious diaspora is a multifaceted phenomenon that encompasses migration, faith, cultural identity, and global interconnectedness. It shows us how religion can both move and connect people across the globe, creating unique communities with rich cultural tapestries. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance and complexity of religious diasporas and sparked your interest in learning more about the diverse world we live in. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Until next time, keep exploring, learning, and growing.